Assalamualaikum guys, this is Muhammad Abbas from Pakistan. Welcome to my channel Learning English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Today our topic is interrogative phrase. We have several interrogative phrase, but one by one will be taught in each video. Is this clear? So in this video, I am going to explain how old. This is interrogative phrase or WH phrase. We can also call it a WH phrase. So in this video I am going to explain how old. So let's come to the topic. So here we are with interrogative phrase how old. Now what is how old, how to use it, where to use it, and what is the usage of it. So I am going to explain it. See, how old is interrogative phrase or WH phrase. I told you that it is an interrogative phrase, or we can also call it WH phrase. Why do we call it an interrogative phrase or WH phrase? Because we can make a question with it, right? Whenever interrogative means question, right? So whenever we want to make a question, then we have to go for interrogative phrase or WH phrase. Is this clear? So how old it is in interrogative phrase or WH phrase according to grammar. Is this clear? See, how old is used to ask about a person's age. Now what does it mean? It means that whenever we want to know about someone's age, right? That how old he is or how old she is, right? So then we have to make a question with how old, because it is used to it is used to ask about a person's age. So whenever we want to know about someone's age, then we have to make a question with how old. Is this clear? See the structure. How old plus to be. To be means SMR, right? SMR in present, was, were in past. But we, here we are talking about present. So that's why we have to use SMR. S we use with singular subjects, M we use with only I, and R we use with plural subjects. Is this clear? Now what does it mean? Singular subject. If you must be thinking that what is singular subjects. So he, she, it, and a singular name. We have to go for either. Whenever we have singular subject is he, she, it, or singular name, then we have to use either. With with only I we use M, and with plural subjects like you, we, they, plural two names, right? Two names. Then we have to use R. Is this clear? Plus subject and question mark, right? After subject we have to use question mark because we are making a question. So see the example. After example you will come to know. How old is Sami? How old is Sami? This is an interrogative phrase, right? This is an interrogative phrase. Here I used as I told you that how old plus to be. To be means SMR. So here I use as. Why did I use as? Because here I have a singular subject, Sami. It is a singular one name, right? It is a single name. So that's why I have used as. How old is Sami? And at the end you can see question mark. At the end question mark. So now if I want to or we want to answer this question, then we should say that he is 16 years old. He is 16 years old. Now I told you that whenever you want to know about someone's age, then we have to make a question with how old. In this example, I made a question, how old is Sami? I want to know about Sami's age. So I have to make a question with how old is Sami? He is 16 years old. After replying, I came to know that Sami is 16 years old. 16 years old. Is this clear? See the second example. How old are you? I told you that how old. This is an interrogative phrase. After this we use to be. To be is MR, right? Here I use R. Why did I use R? Because here I have you. It is a plural subject, right? It is a plural subject. So I have to go for R, not S or M. Is this clear? How old are you? Is this clear? Now I want to know about your age, right? So I have to make a question like how old are you? So your reply must be like this, I am 20 years old. After you replied me that I came to know that about your age, right? I came to know about your age that you are 20 years old. Make one example with M. See, how old M I. Guys, as I said that to be means SMR, so M we use only with I, right? So here I used the subject I, that's why I used M. Here we cannot use S or R. According to the rules we have to use only M with I. So how old am I? Now I want to know by myself, I want to know about myself, that how old am I? I am making a question about myself. How old am I? So if a person knows about my age, he should say that you are 19 years old. So here I made a question with M, right? As you can see in the structure, to be means SMR. So I made example with R, SMR. Sorry, SRM. So I made a question with three of them. So that it is clear to you guys. And you get as soon as possible and easily. Is this clear, guys? So how old am I? You are 19 years old. Whenever we want to know about someone's age, then we have to make a question with how old. Is this clear, guys? Now if you have any kind of question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will be there to answer your question. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Thank you.